Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Jake World 035. Thinking of launching your own digital agency in 2025? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm breaking down a complete roadmap, step by step, to help you start, build, and scale a profitable digital agency this year. Listen, the digital agency world is competitive, but it's also more possible than ever to build a real business for yourself, work from anywhere, and achieve true financial freedom. But you need the right roadmap. That's what this video is all about. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or just starting out, this guide will help you cut through the noise and stand out in a crowded market. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video if you're serious about building your dream agency in 2025. Let's start with the big picture. The digital agency space in 2025 is booming. Everyone and their mother wants to be a digital marketer or growth hacker, but the reality is, most people are clueless. That's good news for you because it means there's huge opportunity for anyone who's willing to put in the work and do things differently. But let's be real, it's also more competitive than ever. With the rise of AI, automation, and global talent pools, the game has changed. You're no longer just competing with the agency down the street, but with freelancers in the Philippines, AI-powered tools, and everyone in between. Clients are smarter too. They're bombarded with offers and promises, so they're more skeptical than ever. Budgets are tighter and results are everything. Gone are the days of charging exorbitant fees for mediocre work. To survive and thrive in this landscape, you need more than just skills. You need a strategy. You need to be laser-focused, ridiculously efficient, and always provide insane value. This isn't about getting rich quick, it's about building a real, sustainable business that can weather any storm. So, how do you do that? Well, that's what the rest of this video is about. We're going to break down each step of the process, from finding your niche to scaling your agency to 6 figures and beyond. Look, I get it. You're excited to get started, and you probably think you can help anyone with anything. But trust me, trying to be everything to everyone is the fastest way to fail. In 2025, niching down is non-negotiable. Think about it. Would you rather hire a general marketing consultant or an agency that specializes in Facebook ads for e-commerce brands? The answer is obvious. When you specialize, you become an expert in a specific field, and that gives you instant credibility and authority. But how do you choose the right niche? It's simple: passion, experience, and profitability. First, what are you passionate about? What gets you fired up? What could you talk about for hours on end? Your passion will fuel your work and help you stand out. Second, what experience do you have? What skills have you developed? What industries have you worked in? Leverage your existing knowledge and expertise. Finally, is there a market for your niche? Are there businesses willing to pay for your services? You need to make sure there's enough demand to support your business. Don't overthink this. Pick a niche and go all in. You can always adjust your focus later, but you need to start somewhere. Niching helps you craft better offers, charge more, and get referrals faster. Now that you know who you're targeting, it's time to define what services you'll offer. And my advice here is simple. Keep it simple, stupid. Don't try to offer every service under the sun. Focus on 1 to 2 core services that you're really good at. What are you the absolute best at? What gets you the best results for your clients? That's what you should be selling. Remember, specialization beats generalization. When you're known for being the best at something, clients will flock to you. You can always expand your service offerings later as you grow. But in the beginning, focus is key. And here's the thing, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. There are tons of proven digital marketing services that are in high demand, like Facebook ads, management, Google ads management, SEO, content marketing, social media management, email marketing, web design, and conversion rate optimization. Choose the services that align with your niche and expertise, and then become the best at them. You've got your niche, you've defined your services, now it's time to build your brand identity and website. This is your digital storefront, the face of your agency to the world. First impressions matter, so you want to make sure you look professional and trustworthy. Start with a memorable name. Keep it short, catchy, and relevant to your niche. Once you have a name, create a clean, professional logo. You can use tools like Canva or hire a freelancer on Fiverr to help you with this. Now let's talk about your website. You don't need a fancy, expensive website to get started. In fact, I recommend a simple one-page website that clearly communicates your value proposition. Your website should include what you offer, clearly outline your services and how they benefit clients, who you help, specify your target audience and their pain points. Proof or testimonials, showcase your results and client testimonials to build credibility. A clear CTA. Tell visitors what you want them to do next, like book a call or contact us. There are plenty of affordable website builders out there like Webflow, WordPress, or even Card that can help you create a professional-looking website without breaking the bank. One of the biggest mistakes I see new agency owners make is trying to do everything themselves. They think they need to be a one-person show to save money, but the truth is, this just leads to burnout and overwhelm. You need to work smarter, not harder. And that means leveraging the power of tools and automation. There are tons of amazing tools out there that can help you automate tasks, streamline your workflow, and free up your time to focus on what matters most: getting clients and delivering results. Here are a few essential tools to get you started. Project management, Asana, Trello, Monday.com, communication Slack, Zoom, Google Meet, CRM, HubSpot, Pipedrive, Salesforce, social media management, Buffer, Hootsuite, later. And here's the best part. You don't need a big team to start. You can easily run your agency as a solopreneur or with a small team of freelancers. As you grow, you can start hiring virtual assistants, designers, and media buyers from platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn. Now let's talk about the most important part of building a successful agency: getting clients. This is where most people struggle, but it doesn't have to be complicated. The key to effective client acquisition is to focus on value-first outreach. Gone are the days of cold calling and spamming inboxes. Today's clients can smell a sleazy sales pitch a mile away. Instead, focus on providing value upfront. Offer free audits, consultations, or valuable insights that demonstrate your expertise and build trust. Here are a few proven client acquisition strategies. Content marketing. Create valuable content that attracts your ideal clients, like blog posts, videos, and podcasts. Social media marketing. Build a strong social media presence and engage with potential clients. Networking. Attend industry events, connect with people on LinkedIn, and build relationships. Referrals. Ask existing clients for referrals and offer incentives for successful referrals. Paid advertising. Run targeted ads on platforms like Google, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Remember, it's all about building relationships and providing value. Focus on attracting the right clients, not just any clients. One of the biggest challenges new agency owners face is pricing their services. They undervalue their worth and end up charging way too little, which hurts their profitability and makes it harder to scale. Here's the thing. You're running a business, not a charity. Your time, skills, and expertise are valuable, and you deserve to be compensated accordingly. When you're first starting out, aim to charge between $500 and $2,000 per month per client. This may seem like a lot, but trust me, it's not when you're delivering real results. As you gain experience and testimonials, you can start raising your prices. The key is to track your results and show your clients the value you're providing. Offer different pricing packages to appeal to a wider range of budgets. For example, you could have a basic package, a standard package, and a premium package. Each package would include different services and deliverables. Congratulations! You've launched your agency, landed your first few clients, and you're starting to generate consistent income. Now it's time to scale your business to the next level. But here's the thing, scaling isn't just about working harder. In fact, if you're not careful, scaling can actually lead to burnout and overwhelm. The key to sustainable growth is to build a business, not a job. That means creating systems and processes that allow your business to run smoothly, without you having to be involved in every single detail. Here are a few tips for scaling your agency. Automate everything you can. Use tools and software to automate repetitive tasks. Hire a team. Delegate tasks to virtual assistants, contractors, and employees. Document your processes. Create standard operating procedures or SOPs for everything. Focus on your zone of genius. Spend your time on the tasks that only you can do. Remember, building a successful agency takes time, effort, and consistency. But if you stay focused on providing value, building relationships, and scaling strategically, you can achieve your goals and build the business of your dreams. Let's recap your 2025 digital agency roadmap. Pick a niche, define services, build your brand, get clients, deliver results, and scale smart. Remember, success won't happen overnight. Building a real business takes time, but with focus, value, and consistency, your digital agency can become a 6 or even 7-figure business. Imagine the freedom and flexibility of being your own boss, working from anywhere, and having complete control over your income. That's the power of building a successful digital agency. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more weekly content, and drop a comment below with your questions or agency goals.